Hello, I'm Raquel, Project Manager of Activate on behalf of ImpactSite, a Portuguese neurodivergent-led social enterprise. Activate is co-funded by the European Union through Erasmus+, supporting initiatives that empower autistic youth across Europe. I'm also autistic, which makes this project so meaningful to me. Across Europe, autistic youth still face exclusion, accessibility barriers, and lower quality of life compared to their peers. That's why ImpactSite and our European partners created the first Autistic Advocacy Academy in Europe. Our role has been to create the curriculum, the backbone of the Academy. It includes 6 units combining self-paced learning with group sessions so autistic youth can develop practical advocacy skills in a supportive, empowering environment. What makes our approach unique is that it combines research from QOL with the lived experience of our autistic research team. Our experience shaped the learning outcomes, teaching methods, and accessibility principles, ensuring the Academy truly meets our community's needs. The Academy is not a top-down program. It's a neurodiversity-affirming, inclusive, and flexible, designed to respect diverse communication style, sensory needs, and lived realities. Our aim is to equip autistic youth with the skills and confidence to advocate for their rights, challenge exclusion, and amplify autistic voice across Europe. I'm very proud of what we have created and excited to see how the Academy supports autistic youth in shaping their future. To learn more about the Academy, visit our website neuroadvocacy.eu.